Good evening. This is 40 meter. Gedas is taking care of it. 15 meter. Here Ali 3 Victor is taking care of it.
Negative Kilo Alpha
20
to
meter.
Mike Radio
Mendes.
Alpha, please correct.
Aziz Jamil sir
Kigale,
waiting for the turn.
Kigale.
Ali is on
Alpha, is that okay?
don't talk to me.
Radio
Don't
Kilo
talk
Alpha,
to me.
thanks. Alpha 73.
Don't talk to me.
It's on 10 meter and we have 80 meters still waiting to open. Saeed is here waiting for his turn and Jay is just busy on 160 waiting to get open, and we have 2 more which have their turns. And hi Silvio.
Hi.
So that is our A73A and me just taking care of everybody, taking care of everybody's things. So we have A73A 5921 Alpha 737. Yes, boss. This is our station for the contest, and our time is 16 Zulu, and we have around 23 million points, 10,941 QSOs. These are some antiques and A73A. So some stuff for eating. Imtiaz and Hussain is there to taking care for the stuff.